In my view, change is inevitable. I think it's the only constant in today's world. So one can either adapt to it or become redundant. I personally quite enjoy change, and I would rather be driving change for my life and for my surroundings than be passive to it. That's my philosophy with regards to change. If you look at India as a country, I think it's evolved recently from being an underdeveloped, completely state-driven economy to a more business-centric, entrepreneurship-driven environment, which has led to massive changes in how the country itself is and how business itself is done in the country, and has had huge ramifications in that sense for even how the government is, from an excessively controlled environment to a more liberalized regulatory framework, which has also meant huge changes in the way my profession, as in public affairs, is practiced in the country. Earlier, you didn't need public affairs, with completely everything driven by the state, you didn't need public affairs practice at all. And this practice obviously has evolved over a period of years since the economy has opened up, and it's still changing, it's still constantly changing. And that environmental changes is quite critical to understand and perceive from my point of view. In bringing about change, I think it is most important to recognize that change is always going to be gradual. It can never be sudden. Adaptation does not ever happen overnight. So one has to have a lot of patience, which is most critical. And I think one has to gradually come up with ways and means to make the best of it. I would just summarize it as saying that's probably the best way of dealing with and also bringing about change.